When you're home at night, alone, or you're taking care of your family, has it ever occurred to you that someone may have a copy of your house key? It could be a repair person who copies your key without your knowledge, or someone who got it from your home's previous owner, a child who loses it, a visiting contractor, or a former roommate. With Nightwatch installed on your door, you can rest assured that the exclusive Nightwatch action takes away the threat of every unauthorized key, past, present, and future, as if they simply disappear. Nightwatch is the only deadbolt that allows you to completely lock out all outside key holders, yet lets the people inside reverse the action with a quick and simple motion. Let's take a closer look. To secure a locked Nightwatch deadbolt, simply push up on the button at the bottom of the unit. Then pull out the deadbolt lever until you hear a click and see a red ring. The two-step action protects you against an accidental lockout. Now the exterior key is disabled. An intruder can't enter with your lost, stolen, or borrowed key. To deactivate Nightwatch, simply push in the lever and the key is fully functional again. The same system also works with the added convenience of the Nightwatch combination deadbolt. Enter your home by a simple 3-number combination, the same type your kids know from lockers at school. No need to carry a key, yet a key also works if you prefer. Best of all, it's a Nightwatch. A press and pull locks out both the key and the combination. Installing both models is fast and easy. Nightwatch replaces any standard deadbolt and fits all residential doors. It's easy to install yourself with a Phillips screwdriver and replaces a standard-sized existing deadbolt without modification. Once installed, you can trust Nightwatch to keep you safe and secure. It's backed by a lifetime guarantee from Master Lock, a name you've come to rely on for quality and innovation. From the outside, it looks like an ordinary deadbolt, but to the people inside, it's much more. It's safety, comfort, and peace of mind, night after night. Brought home exclusively by Nightwatch from Master Lock.